In this lesson, we will see together les pronoms interrogatifs, but more precisely, we will see lequel. So, what are les pronoms interrogatifs? Well, we'll have two things to answer. That's the first one. The interrogative pronouns are used to ask questions about people, things, or choices. And the second thing, their usage depends on the type of information you want to inquire about. So, this lesson is about lequel. And the interrogative pronoun lequel can be translated into English as which one. But keep in mind that lequel will be used for masculin singulier. So we will see some examples with lequel. Lequel de ces gâteaux veux-tu pour le dessert? Lequel de ces gâteaux veux-tu pour le dessert? Lequel de tes amis viendra à la fête ce soir? Lequel de tes amis viendra à la fête ce soir? Lequel de ces chemisiers préfères-tu? Lequel de ces chemisiers préfères-tu? Lequel de ces films as-tu déjà vu? Lequel de ces films as-tu déjà vu?